Let's make coconut sweetbread. Add 4 eggs to a large bowl and mix. Add 1 cup of softened butter, 2 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut flavoring, 1 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes, and 1 cup of buttermilk, and mix well. Scrape the sides of the bowl and mix again a few seconds. In a separate bowl, add 3 cups of flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of baking soda, and give it a whisk. Add the flour mixture to the main bowl a little at a time while mixing until all incorporated. Pour the batter into 2 5x9 or 4x8 inch lightly greased pans. Bake at 325 Fahrenheit or 162 Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Add a 1/3 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of coconut flavoring, 1½ cups of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of butter to a pot and heat on medium heat, stirring until it comes to a boil, then remove from the heat. Poke holes into the bread with skewers, then pour the hot glaze over the top. Allow the bread to cool a bit and the glaze to set, then remove from the pans and place on a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.